Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at the famous sea shanty, What Shall We Do with the Drunken Sailor, and how to play it on a kalimba with 10 keys. Here is a kalimba. This kalimba is in the key of C. To play the kalimba, hold it with both of your hands, with your thumbs positioned to pluck the keys like this. Each key is numbered so that the lower C starts slightly off center and is labeled 1. D is labeled 2. E is labeled 3, F is 4, and so on. Because this kalimba is a 10-pronged kalimba, we might run out of notes, but don't worry, we'll just have to get creative. Here's what Drunken Sailor looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And here is how it sounds. A D F A G G G G G G G C E G A B C D C G A F D D A D F A G G G G C E G A B C D C G A F D D. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. With your left thumb, pluck 6 7 times. With your left thumb, pluck 2. With your left thumb, pluck 4. And with your left thumb, pluck 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, with your right thumb, pluck 5 7 times. With your right thumb, pluck 1. With your right thumb, pluck 3. And with your right thumb, pluck 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, with your left thumb, pluck 6 7 times. With your right thumb, pluck 7. With your left thumb, pluck 1. With your right thumb, pluck 2. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, with your left thumb, pluck 1. With your right thumb, pluck 5. With your left thumb, pluck 6. With your left thumb, pluck 4. With your left thumb, pluck 2 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, with your left thumb, pluck 6 4 times. With your left thumb, pluck 2. With your left thumb, pluck 4. With your left thumb, pluck 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, with your right thumb, pluck 5 4 times. With your right thumb, pluck 1. With your right thumb, pluck 3. And with your right thumb, pluck 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 7, with your left thumb, pluck 6 4 times. With your right thumb, pluck 7 once. With your left thumb, pluck 1. And with your right thumb, pluck 2. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 8 is exactly the same as phrase 4. Let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the type of person who prefers learning the kalimba using tabs, you can check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget, I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.